Good afternoon. Praise God. Praise God again. This is my tribute to my mom. The last thing that I have to say here. We all gather here to remember and see the woman we all once loved, Betty Bayo, simply known to me as Mom. I know that my mother is no longer with me anymore, and I won't have the privilege to make any more memories but I believe we'll surely meet again, and that the same woman who changed the Kenyan gospel industry will also change my life. We've been through so much that the public eye doesn't see. The haters might jump into conclusions after slight misconceptions, not knowing how much practice and dedication she puts to give Kenya the best quality of her work. My mother had a lot of hopes and dreams for me. She wanted me to reach heights that are unimaginable. The moment she saw the talent, she tried to embrace and nurture no matter what the crowd said. She was the only one who truly believed in me and knew there was something in me. The only thing I can promise her now is that with or without her, I will accomplish all the awards we talked about, even dedicate them all to her. Never in my mind did death come across my mind when she got that sickness. Nothing major has ever happened in my life, so death seemed so unreal. As some of you know, my mother is very strong, and the sickness started with small headaches, and after that it got so severe she had to go to a small hospital nearby our house. The rest is too painful to explain, but my mother was in severe pain, yet she tried to smile for us. I remember the words I told her like it was yesterday. I told her that when we saw her in AAR, she came out with on a hospital bed, like tubes all around her mouth and nose. And I only saw her for like 2 minutes because like there were so many people there. But then I forced myself into the ambulance to like talk to her alone. I told her that we miss her and we love her, and it's so sad to come back home to not see your mom there anymore because she's sick in the hospital. I used to come to school telling myself when I come back home I'll see mom. You know, she used to have a favorite like spot where she would sit down. So I would always imagine come back home and see her there. But I never saw her. I never saw her, but she wasn't able to talk back. She wasn't able to move, but tears ran down her cheeks, and she tried her best to talk back and tell me things, but she wasn't able to tell me. It's hard to see your mother on a hospital bed with many tubes coming in and out of her mouth. Of her mouth, and trying to fight for her life. The day I got pulled out of school and was told my mother wanted to visit me, I had high hopes, thinking they were ready to tell me she's ready to leave, but that was not the case. But that was the day my mother was no more. It was 10th November 2025, which was last week. It's not easy, but I'll try my best to stay strong for my little brother Danny and everyone around us. Rest in peace, Mom. We love you.
Thank you, Sky. Let's encourage